Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to download Minecraft on your iPhone. This also works for other iOS devices, so if you've been wanting to play Minecraft on your phone, stick around to see exactly how to do it. Minecraft is a super fun game. Maybe you want to play with your friends, or you just need a game to kill some time. Whatever your reason, I'll walk you through the steps today. First, head over to the App Store on your iPhone. Once you're on the homepage, it's pretty simple from here. Now, head to the search bar at the bottom of the screen. I'll share a secret trick with you shortly, but for now, just type in Minecraft in the search bar. Once you search for it, Minecraft will pop up right here. You'll see it costs $6.99, or a different price depending on your country, but that's the standard price if you're in the US. If you haven't bought it yet, just click the price button, in this case, $6.99, and proceed with the purchase. After buying, the game will start downloading. Minecraft is about 1 GB in size, so it might take a little while to download, depending on your internet speed. Once it's finished, you'll be able to play it on your iPhone. And that's it. That's how you download Minecraft on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe for more content. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.